Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life Church Edition. We're here at Earles Baptist Church here in Westminster, South Carolina. We'll give you maybe a mini tour of the church and at least show you what they do as far as singing and maybe some announcements and see what the preacher's like. Because this is the nice, beautiful building we're about ready to go into. Because you've just entered the Coolest Life Church Edition.
Out to help us in this thing called life by faith. Well, now let's live by faith. And you know what? You're going to have a wonderful good time. That's just like the other day. You walk on the car lot, they're in business to sell you a car. They come to your house, they're in business to sell whatever they come in your house about. And we just had this lady come over the other day and she said, "Preacher, now what I'm going to show you is about 10, 12 minutes. That's all I'm going to take, 10 or 20 minutes of your time. That's all I need." At 3 o'clock, we were still talking. You know why? You know why? We had something in common. The business thing of the thing was a very small portion of time, but the faith element of the conversation and the faith elements of our lives was what navigated that conversation to go not from 12 to 12:20 or 12 to 12:30, but go from 12 to 3. Son, here's how I do it. He said, "I got me a stump." He said, "I get me a legal pad and a pen or a pencil." And he says, "I go out and I sit on that stump. I kneel by that stump with my open Bible to see what the Lord would say to me. And when the Lord's had his say, if I feel like I need a little more enrichment and nourishment in that area," he said, "I might read somebody else." But he says, "I never take the word of another person above what God says." In the Lord, the greater our faith will be. So we're going to stand this morning and we're going to sing. I'll be at the front to help you if you need me. The altar's open if you need to come today. Whatever you need to do, you come and do it for Jesus' sake today. Not for the preacher's sake, but for Jesus' sake this morning.
Well, that was a good service. He did a really good job. Talked about faith. Faith is always a pretty good subject, I think. But if you get a chance to come by Westminster, South Carolina, come on visit this church. If you like traditional churches, this is definitely a traditional church. Hymnals and the whole works. Nothing wrong with those. Just different from the others, that's all. So we're going to let you go because we need to get back out here living
the coolest life.
Church Edition.